Hello, it's me, Alicia, again from Shiloh Nutrition and Wellness. Thank you for joining me today. I just had to share a couple things with you. First, I went to two of my favorite stores, Costco and Home Goods. And I got a new cup. The previous video I was talking about matcha and maca. And maca, I hadn't made a drink with maca. I really didn't like it just in water, the way they suggested, hot water, like a tea thing. I didn't really like it. So I thought, well, if there's a recipe for matcha, the Chinese, the green leaf one, there's got to be one for maca. So I looked and I found one. You're going to love it. If you love chocolate, you're going to love this. It's called Almond Maca Hot Chocolate. And it's so good. You're going to love it. So first, let me tell you, I was thinking sometimes I forget between maca and matcha. So I thought vaca means cow in Spanish, because I speak Spanish. So I thought a good way to remember is vaca rhymes with maca. So, it's white milk, light colored, maca, M-A-C-A. Okay, so to make this delicious drink, which I will include in the description in the bottom there below the video, it is, before I forget, when I went to Costco this morning, I found this box of 6. It has 6 of these containers, 32 ounces, a quart, okay? 6 of those for $7.99. You can't beat that, can you? $7.99 for 6 of these, okay? Organic. Comes out to about $1.35 each. So you want to go to Costco. You want to get some good deals on almond milk. I know how to make my own almond milk. It's really not milk. It's lactose free. It's just made from nuts, almonds. It just requires too many nuts, almonds, and I have to soak it overnight for a couple of nights or overnight, and that just too much of a hassle. But I got this. I found this organic, and so I bought that box. So you're going to use 3/4 cups of this. I wanted to follow the recipe, so tomorrow I'm going to make it with 1 cup. So 3/4 cups of almond milk, a tablespoon of vanilla, 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, a heap of cacao powder or carob powder, and 2 teaspoons of maca. Okay, so I'll include it. And a little dash of stevia. It's not in the recipe, but I just added a little stevia, and I love it. So this is also I buy online. So so it's just 6 ingredients. Okay, and I'm going to include that in the description. I make my own vanilla, but you can buy your own vanilla beans from Mexico and a bottle of vodka. I need to make another batch again, but I bought these vanilla beans like 2 years ago. This has been sitting in here for like 2 years. I made this like 2 years ago with vodka and about 12 of these vanilla beans. It's really easy to make. You just pour the vodka in, a big bottle of vodka in 3 different containers, and then add the vanilla beans, shake it up every day, leave it in a dark closet or dark pantry or whatever, and shake it up every day. So it doesn't taste like vodka, in case you're wondering, but okay. So we have all these 6 ingredients: the coconut oil, organic, stevia, the maca, the cacao powder, and the vanilla beans, and the almond milk. Okay, so it's so good. You're gonna love it. So, and it tastes better in my ceramic blue cup. I love this color. It goes well with pink, right? So another thing I bought, also at Costco, I bought this big bag of flaxseed. This goes really well in your smoothies. I bought some moringa, which is very good too in smoothies, and it has a lot of it has protein, calcium, iron, fiber, and it's more beneficial and has more nutrients than kale. Yes, it's got more nutrients than kale. So this is some pretty good stuff. I don't remember the price, but I don't think it was that expensive. I think maybe $7.99 or $11, something like that, but you're worth it. So even if it costs you $11, this goes a long way. This may last you like 2 or 3 months, depending on how. 1 rounded tablespoon, and it's almost 11 ounces. It'll last you for 3-4 months, so it's worth buying for your smoothies. And so then that was that for Costco, and I made my drink. And then I went to Home Goods and I bought this MCT oil, which I use for my keto coffee every morning. It was $12.99. I usually buy it for like $21 through Amazon. So sometimes in different stores, when you least expect it, you'll find some good deals like this. And it's organic, pure, medium chain triglycerides, which is MCT. And then I happened to find organic cacao matcha, which matcha is the green leaf tea leaves. And so it's blended with cocoa powder. So I just like the container, and I thought I'd try the combination of cacao with matcha. So it just says to add hot water, but I'm probably going to add a couple more things, knowing me. Probably going to need to add some stevia, because that seems like a little bitter without any kind of natural sugar. But so that's what I got today. That's what I wanted to share with you. So I hope you make this hot cocoa powder with maca. It is so good, and almond milk. You could make it with regular milk. There's nothing that says that you can't, change a ingredient here and there. You could substitute. You can use MCT instead of coconut oil if you want some brain energy. So you could just make it your own. The sky's the limit. There's nothing that says you can't add 2 scoops of the cacao powder instead of 1. You can add more vanilla than 1 tablespoon, whatever you want. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe. Just click on the little red subscribe button. That way you'll get notified of all my future videos. So thank you. Be well, be blessed, have a great evening, and until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.